Namaste, welcome to Perseverance IAS. The following are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper for July 8th, 2021. Let me be very clear with you today. There are much important articles to be read or to begin with. So I try to incorporate articles that are important from the mains perspective. So if you can, do read the newspaper today. If you can't, just read the editorial and let go of everything, because there isn't much important as to give certain concentration on newspaper for today, because that's my personal opinion. So let us begin with this thing. Judge rescues from hearing Mamata's election petition. So please do understand what does this involve, meaning what is a rescue of recuse of judge. Is there any law regarding this? Please read from that perspective. Apart from that, don't even bother about where it is happening or why it is happening. Right after that article, please get on with the editorial. Agents of Change, a new chapter in Israel politics. You read this article to get an understanding of how politically Israel society operates, why the coalition government failed, why Netanyahu lost, and why we have a new prime minister in Israel. Read from that perspective just to get an understanding of what goes in Israeli society. Apart from that, it is not that significant because it is very specific to one country. In terms of international relations, it doesn't work like that. Until unless it is linked to India some way, it doesn't matter. Remember, irrespective of whoever the PM is in Israel, relationship between India and Israel is always going to be a positive one. Now, the surge. Taliban should not be allowed to take control of Afghanistan through bloodshed. Again, this is to understand what is going on in Afghanistan. Mind you, you have to read all the articles regarding Afghanistan and Taliban, because for mains you need to have as much as information you can to give a cohesive and a coherent answer, because Taliban solution is not something that is easy to arrive at, but India should be at the focal of any Afghan solution. To give that kind of answer, you need to be aware of little bit of more on what is happening on ground. That is what I have been saying for the past few days. So this is the most important editorial that you should be reading today. Challenging negative social norms. Read this from the perspective of women rights. Read this perspective in the perspective of sexual and reproductive health and rights, SRHR, and how they are interlinked with sustainable development goals, and why India is, though on the trajectory to achieve sustainable development goals, but not in the period that we are hoping it to be done in. So please try to concentrate, get as many points as you can, and if you can compare our total fertility ratio or mortality rates or whatever with that of the Chinese, you can get a very comprehensive answer in terms of population control and population mitigation. See, that is what you have to try to get out of this article. Now moving on, a long road for migrant workers. Again, migrant workers have been at the forefront of discussion or discourse due to COVID-19 restrictions and so on and so forth. This certainly gives you an understanding of what are the directions that were given by Supreme Court, and this will certainly help you to form a timeline regarding the entire events since the beginning of lockdown last year. Now moving on, indemnity issues hold up US vaccine donation. Two things from here. What is indemnity clause, what they are talking about? And you have to understand, everybody is saying they shouldn't be asking. Please try to read or understand why the private companies or the vaccine manufacturers based out of US are asking for indemnity clause. Get into the nitty gritty of it. Until and unless you understand why they are asking, you cannot formulate an opinion in this regards, because it looks skewed at times, but until and unless you go into the details, you have to understand. Please read about indemnity clause. What are the challenges involved in giving indemnity clause to these companies, and why they are asking? Moving on, Jaishankar calls on Iranian president-elect. Please read it from the perspective of there has been elections recently in Iran, and this is a meeting in continuation with our policy with engaging with Iranian governments, and Simultaneously, you have to link up with the meeting that is happening between Iranian government and Taliban leadership. And you need to understand India is trying to play a role in Afghanistan that is along the lines of engaging with Taliban. So try to connect it if you could. Otherwise, just take it as a point. Apart from that, not important. The next article is new platform maps Pegasus spread. Don't worry about what platform they are talking about. Simply concentrate on what is Pegasus virus, why it is dangerous, or who is using it. Pegasus is your focal point. Rest of the things not even important. Just to concentrate on the word Pegasus and what it is. We are not going to go into narrative wars. We are just here for information. So go for Pegasus. Don't worry about rest of the article. Now moving on again, as I said, this is a very slow paper today, nothing much, but the next important article that you have to read irrespective of what is going on is Lanka issues coin for CPC centenary. Two things. What is the economic help that Sri Lanka is getting from China? What is the currency deal, swap deal that they are talking about? What is the Colombo smart city that they are talking about? And you have to compare India's economic help with that of the Chinese. For that, you need to read this article and you have to link up with what kind of economic help is India giving to Sri Lanka. Trump files suit against FB, Twitter, and Google. Just informative because there is a possibility that Trump might run in next elections, US elections. To be aware of what is going on in and how the social media companies, though they say they are intermediary, are actually playing a part in elections. From that perspective, just read this and not important. Again, Taliban attack Afghan provincial capital. Just to understand what is going on in Afghanistan. Apart from that, don't even bother about it. So in economy, there are two articles that you have to read that are important. Fitch cuts GDP growth estimate to 10% on slower recovery. What is the growth rate that they are talking about, and what is the reason behind their reduction in our estimate? The second is bank GNPAs to fall in financial year 2022 on recoveries. This is important. Try to understand what are GNPAs and why they are falling and why the recovery is happening. Now again, the next article that you have to read to get an understanding of what is going on with our economy is second wave to retard rural FMCG growth. So these are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper for today. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.